Keeping your seat infotainment system up to date is crucial for optimal performance and access to the latest features. C8 uses the modular infotainment matrix platform, including MIB3 and MIB4. Updates can be done via USB or over the air. USB updates are still needed for older models or offline situations. OTA updates are available on models from 2020 onwards, like Leon, Ateca, Tarraco, and Born, through the Seat Connect app. These deliver bug fixes, new apps, and security patches wirelessly. Android Auto and CarPlay are standard on MIB3 Plus systems, with wireless mirroring available on 2023 Plus models. USB updates begin by downloading files from C8's website and transferring them to a USB drive. Installation happens through the vehicle's infotainment screen. This method works offline, but requires manual steps from you. OTA updates need an active Seat Connect subscription and a stable internet connection via Wi-Fi or mobile data. The vehicle becomes temporarily unavailable during the 10 to 30-minute installation process. Map updates are handled separately. OTA provides real-time live traffic integration, while USB allows for offline map packs that don't require an internet connection. All updates, whether USB or OTA, include cybersecurity measures such as encrypted downloads to prevent unauthorized access and protect your vehicle's system.